Qatar is a new city, but it's also an old city. If you take a look at the skyline, the architecture, you will see explosive growth and amazing buildings going up every single day. And we're here on College of the North Atlantic's campus, which is an absolutely outstanding facility. I've been here 3.5 years. When I started with the position, I had a very flat organizational structure. I basically had 25 people reporting to me directly. Different backgrounds, different perspectives, different ideas, and with such a diverse staff from such varying backgrounds, it was more of a challenge than I had experienced before. So I was fortunate enough to find out about Jenn's coaching.
Coaching is about relationships. It is more than a conversation, and the relationship between a coach and a coachee is really a partnership where we are co-creating possibilities, different kinds of solutions and outcomes that perhaps the coachee wouldn't necessarily come up with on their own.
Through my coaching with Jenn, we were able to develop a new structure. It was clear that I wanted to play a leadership role, but I also wanted the staff to work together as a team. So I was able to identify 5 people, and I was really, really pleased because in all 5 cases, all 5 really blossomed.
They identified that being a part of this team was really important to them, and it really helps any leader when your team want to work together and they want to make it better. And she had that, investment from them right from the beginning, and I noticed that it's something special.
Every single week with a coach, there's something that you can learn. Feeling that you have someone that's there in your corner, rooting for you, has certainly helped me move the leadership team forward, but also stay engaged as a leader and stay committed to what I'm doing